Jesus Christ, what'd you eat today? A vegan burrito? Hey guys, today we're going to Big Bear. Hanale, you need to literally like chill out, okay? Sit. Good girl. Watch me do this vlog intro, okay? Thank you. So about 2 days ago, my friend Marissa texted me and was like, hey, let's go on an adventure. Then I was like, okay, cool, let's go to Palm Springs. But then Palm Springs was like really cold. So we're like, let's go to Joshua Tree. But then Joshua Tree was even colder. So then we're like, okay, if we're gonna go somewhere cold, might as well go to Big Bear. I booked an Airbnb in Big Bear. We're gonna go, we're gonna have a girls trip. Bree's coming, my friend Alyssa's coming, my sister's coming, who's filming this, and then, last night, Marissa told me she couldn't come anymore because she had a family emergency. She was the reason why we're doing this trip and she can't come anymore, so that's sad. Nevertheless, we're gonna have a lit girls trip. Girls trip. I've like packed all my stuff and it should be fun. This video is sponsored by Canon. Canon, I wish.
You're not coming this time. Well, you don't have to deal with your stinky booty and your farts in the car.
Yeah, your farts in the car, Hanale.
This is the vlog lens.
So I'm doing my makeup now because we're gonna get that content. This is my makeup. I'm gonna do my makeup. The girl should be here any second now, and then we will pack the car and get on the way. And then it says warm sugar. Like, what are you? Are you tapioca or are you warm sugar? I'm confused.
I've used this one before.
Do you like it?
I mean, it's fine. It's dry shampoo.
I'm just a little sketchy because I've been using this dry shampoo and it has been working. Not all dry shampoo is created equal.
You're not happy in your relationship. Get out. Say thank you.
Next.
If you don't like your outfit, change it.
Holy
Maybe
hell.
you should stop on the way back.
I want to buy everything here right now.
Okay, I feel like you don't
I mean,
need anything right now.
I shouldn't.
You can also do it online
Yeah, they have many options online and it'll be delivered to your home.
when you just
Be delivered straight to your home.
Or they have better stuff online.
Way better. Free shipping too.
Okay, we'll have to remember this and then come back online. I really trusted Target to have vegan
like an
marshmallows.
organic section.
No, it's usually right here. They have them at the Target
Bose has
in
them.
my city.
That's because
You're
it's
also
LA.
no longer in LA.
Let's go to Big Bear. Okay.
Like, what's a refresher? Like, is it tea or is it? what
It's
is
like
it?
syrup. We've made it! Okay. Well, we're an hour early to check in, so hopefully no one's inside.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
The step. Oh, maybe struggling.
Yes!
Look, there's a sleigh!
Oh my god, guys, this is so cute! Oh my Oh no! So cute!
Oh my god, guys!
Oh
my god!
Look at that view!
Oh,
You look so cozy.
imagine like hot cocoa.
Oh.
I just melt into this chair.
That skin is a little triggering.
So TV, so we can watch Bird Box.
So cute!
Look at this.
Oh my god, this room's so cute! Fruit on our bunk bed.
So cute.
This is so cute. Like
This is like-
this slaps. This is what they got some cute artwork. Oh my god, Brie, you look so cute with like the background. Oh my gosh, we need hot cocoa.
Oh my god,
Immediately.
ASAP. Yeah.
Ready?
This is the golden.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ, what'd you eat today? A vegan burrito?
Hey! Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh! Papa squat. Go!
Oh my God! Look, I'm getting burnt! Cozy in there.
Oh my God, Maya, look behind you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's so funny. Okay, so it's a little bit later. We got cute at the Airbnb and then we went out to the lake, Big Bear Lake. It's frozen like my soul.
Why did I throw the snowball? I can't feel my fingers.
Why did I wear Vans?
I need a hug.
To the snow.
Mother.
Floor's going down! Get it.
Oh, it's on.
Gloves on, I'm about to own your ass. See the process?
It's not making a full ball, it's making this like bad.
It's on the camera!
My heart rate can't keep up with this altitude.
Truce.
Look what I did for you. You guys, it burns. My hands.
Listen, DJ. It's not about who wins the game. It's about the fun that you have during.
I think I won. Listen.
What the hell you got behind there? You got, ah!
I do not think this is a good idea.
It doesn't even look like steak.
Peace out. My toes feel like they're about to crack off. Everything's cute. I'm freezing, but let's find a cafe and get some hot cocoa. Cool Ranch. Oh, can't hurt to do a little window shopping. Oh, look at this one.
That's cute. Oh, that looks so comfy.
Depends on the menu. I love the soup navy bean. Update. It is later at night. Came back to the Airbnb, drank wine, had a talk fest for hours, and went into the jacuzzi. I'm gonna go to sleep, wash my face, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Love you. Good morning, guys. It is another day. I was about to say a vlogmas. I need help. So last time we went into the jacuzzi and I put my hair in a low ponytail, not a low, like a low bun, you know, with like the little friend, thinking that my hair would not touch the water. And then we turned the jets on and the jets were literally like throwing water onto my head. This is my new look. I feel like I'm from the 70s all of a sudden. And yeah, I'm doing my makeup. We're baking currently. We're gonna clean the Airbnb and then get on the road. We're gonna get some breakfast and then we're going to head back to the house. I'm gonna go fix my hair. I can't. You know, I'll just put my little things in.
Oh, that'd be cute.
It'd be a look. Be a look.
I'm sure someone would be into it. Someone out there.
Update, Maya is braiding my hair.
Will you still be here?
It's a little fox!
It's a little fox.
I petted a fox once. I fed one.
Oh,
It's prancing.
Prance away, little foxy.
Is that it's not a coyote?
Guys, it's a fox.
It's just living its
Oh
life.
my god, Maya! Look, we're like walking with it. Hi, little foxy! He's getting his morning run. Hi, princess! Hi, Stinky! Give me a hug, honey! Guys, so I ordered from Amazon.com a bathtub caddy. This is something I've always wanted. Like, this was like one of those like little dreams that you have. You're like, oh, one day I want to have a bathtub that can have like a little. It just got here.
I mean, like, I'm.
Here, look.
I mean, it's like most likely not necessary.
It is that. Look,
It's
look.
a luxury.
100% it's a luxury.
I survived for years putting like a candle on.
Right.
Candle doesn't fit along your side of your bathtub, but you can at least put it on the where the sink area.
Yeah,
is.
or your couch.
It doesn't fit on the side. It's gonna be right there on the ground.
Let's go see if it actually fits on my back.
Damn.
Seriously,
She's
like
not getting out.
the water is cold.
This is so nice.
How long are you gonna be in there?
Like 30 minutes?
To be real pruny.
That is cute.
I mean, that's
I could even put like
you know, I'm not against that. You better be careful.
all the clothes and put. We are reading currently Be Loved Now by Ram Dass.
Yeah.
She's got a whole setup ready.
I got some stuff from my absolute favorite company from Bali, Andy Bagus. Oh yes! Look how cute that is. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. That's gonna be so pretty. Look at all these colors, all the springtime colors. Ooh. This is so much wasted plastic though, like high key. But it's cool because it's all gonna be recycled. This is like that other top, but in pink.
Yeah.
I don't get why this had to be like bubble wrapped.
I know.
Like it's a bikini. It's like as if I bought an iPhone or something. Got some neon bikini bottoms. Why? Finally, cheer that up.
But she bit my helping hand. What could I do? Sorry doesn't work on me. She's gone. So damn gone to me. You know I said it. She know that I'm